Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off Instagram message requests. First, make sure that you're on your profile section and then click on the right upper side on your three dots icon. Then go on the settings option, and as you can see you have many options right there, but you need to choose the privacy one that has more options right there also. And here you couldn't find an option that is related to messages requests. Now you should go back and go for security tab. Again, here you have no options. Go back again, go on the notifications, and now as you can see here you have also many options, but the messages and calls are the main right there. Go and click on it, and on the message requests go and turn it off like on my screen. If are on, you need to go and turn it off. And now guys, you know how to turn off Instagram message requests. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video.